Okay, now the second card, the Harley Quinn. For Harley Quinn, at first I need to open his hammer into pieces to show you how did I make that. Now first of all, we're going to be putting the main character, Harley Quinn. Now he's done. Now for the hammer. And that's how the hammer works. Now he's all set up, so I'm going to put him here. Now the main car. Okay, now first of all, we need two of these, like 1 and 2. At the one point, we need one here. At the second point, we need one of these. You can also get these anywhere, like even anywhere. You can just make it at home with any other Lego sets, except the hammer which Harley Quinn has. Or you can get it. So now we will good with the thing with the seat. Over here. Don't forget, that's the important part. And then we need one blue and one red right here, okay? Once you got that right, then put that last piece that I said to keep it right here. Then 2 red dots. Once it's finished, then put the back with this. And now, and then you should get 2 pieces like back on here. That is the main part. Okay, that's the thruster of like Batman has right behind. Once you finish getting the thruster on, then get one here, just 2 side one, and get one handle, the red one, because it matches. The red one matches. Then once you're finished, then get this one at the right hand side and this one at the left hand side. Okay, that's smooth enough to get one of these. You can even get these like Lego Legends of Chima or something. Once you finish, then get one cock right here. Okay, now that's done. For now, what are the things? Oh yeah, we need 2 yellow dots right here. And then we should create the tires like I finished them. Okay, one here and 2 there. Like sometime I do, just fill my papers. Okay. Then once you finish the tires, just put them randomly because they're all the same size. Don't make mistakes. Like you should get them all the same size. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And now the Harley Quinn's car is done. And he's happy about it. And now these are the 2 cars from the Lego superheroes. Just to